Hey, Jason here with Let's Check It Out. Here in Fairfield, California, you pay a deposit on your bottles, like your plastic bottles, your glass bottles, cans. So if you collect them, you can bring them to the recycling center and you can get a little bit of money out of it. It's better than just throwing it away. Do your part in recycling. Typically we just put all of our stuff in the recycling container and have it picked up on trash day. But hey, what a great way to encourage the kids to do some recycling and make a little money while we're at it. So what I'm gonna do here, I'll post the address, but here we'll take our bags of, I've got a couple of bags full of plastic bottles. They'll say something like CRV or, you know, deposits and stuff on them. So if you come here and you see recycling, there's always something somewhere that says, not seen it on this one, but no, it hasn't. I saw it before. Just like rip the label off. There it is. So CA, CRV, and then they show like the deposits and how much money we can get. So we're gonna go in and talk to the guys, have the stuff weighed out, and see what we make. So if you're wanting to bring your cans or your bottles or something to the recycling center and get some money, well, let's check it out. All right, so they are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Closed at lunch, noon to 1. This is good. So we'll no longer handle plastic bags. Customers are required to sort bag contents by commodity and place it in the plastic 32-gallon cans right here. Battery free, that's okay. Green glass. Awesome, cool. So this gives us the ability to kind of like sort them out and then yeah, have them weighed. All right, so got my bags of my bottles here. I'm gonna go ahead, get out the can, and then we'll just start sorting. I should put this up on a tripod. But basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sort through and make sure that only the plastic bottles go in here. If I have any cans or glass bottles, then I'll put them in a different can and then I'll let them know to have it weighed. So I'll be back in a moment. All right, so I sorted out my bags. So I've got almost 2 of these 32-gallon trash cans full of the plastic bottles. I did have an aluminum can and a glass one, so we separated those out. And we'll see what this does. We do have a maximum daily limits. So if you did have like lots and lots and lots, you would max out at 100 pounds of aluminum, 100 pounds. So he's gonna weigh on the scale right here. First one, and then we'll get a weight on the second one right here. Total it all up and see what we can get in return. And so after they do all the weigh-in, they give you this receipt, staple it, and then you go down to the office, you hand them this, and I guess we make a little money. Let's go find out. Let's check it out. So after you come out the gate, you go to the office, which is down here. Public services. We'll go in the office, we'll give them our little ticket and see what we can get. Let's see, I think this looks good. All right, let's go check it out. Got our ticket. Come in here and it says go to second driveway for deliveries, pull. I think this is it, so let's check it out. This is really cool. You just come to the desk, you give them the yellow form that you got, they take it back. They said that, you know, if you are a teenager or, you know, a kid that has like a dependent ID or a school ID, you can actually collect your stuff, turn it in, get the little ticket, bring it up here and exchange it yourself. The receipt. And for, you know, a couple weeks of just collecting what we had, over $15, over $15.50, so not bad. All right, so You want to make a little extra money? Pick up some cans, pick up some water bottles, collect them, bring them up here, sort them out in the little cans that they have up front, the little 32-gallon trash cans they got. Let them weigh it, give you the receipt. Bring your receipt to the front office right here. Give them your ID. They'll take a school ID, a military ID, driver's license, and give you your receipt, and you get paid. That's pretty cool. So this was a fun adventure today, but we're gonna go off and do some other stuff. But thanks for joining us with Let's Check It Out.